All right, so today we're gonna be talking about how to get the absolute best master for your song. Hi, my name is Tyson. I'm a mastering engineer here at Dinosaur Dog Mastering, and today we're going to be talking about how to get the best master for your song, other than hiring me. The actual best master, though, for your song, you could go to different mastering engineers based on whatever your music is, however well you communicate with the mastering engineer, etc. There's a lot of different creative factors at play other than just finding a qualified mastering engineer for your song. So the easiest way to do this, though, to find that engineer and that mastering engineer that's gonna be the best option for your song specifically, is to go out and do a mastering shootout. Essentially how this works is you find mastering engineers who are willing to give you a free sample, or reach out to mastering engineers and ask them if they will give you a free sample, and most of them will, myself included. You can go to my website and get a free mastering sample from me for your song at any point in time for free. What you do is you send out your song, the same exact mix, to 3 to 4 different mastering engineers. And then you get those masters back, volume match them, compare them, and determine what is the best master. And then that will inform you, I should go with mastering engineer A, B, or C because I liked their master the best. And keep in mind, it is wise to volume match these masters because it's easy to over or under limit something based on whatever the client wants. Really what you're looking for is the sonic variation between them and what their ear picked up during the mastering process for the sonic balance primarily, not necessarily how much limiting happens. With streaming services, they're gonna normalize all of your music anyway, so the actual limiting doesn't matter nearly as much as it used to. And it's really the sonic balance that is key for mastering. Okay, with that said, that is the best possible way to find a mastering engineer for you, and that is just go out and find 3 or 4 mastering engineers, give them a sample, listen to all of them, and then choose the best one. That's it. If you want a free sample from me, then go to dinosaurdogmastering.com and I will ship over a free sample for you after you submit your file. Okay. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe because I release videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday to help you get more professional mixes.